sessions we covered very clearly about the basic commands, whatever most commonly used commands in the git we discussed, sir. Now one such command, git log command, complete the postmortem I want to do about this command, sir. Remember this one. Of course, here multiple options are available. How you can use these options, like compulsory we are going to discuss. We have to perform postmortem about this command, friends. Okay, like sir, do you know what is the main purpose of git log command? Can you please confirm what is the purpose of git log command? Okay, like so if you want to, if we want to see, if we want to see history of all commits, regarding history of all commits in local repository, array in my local repository, so which commits are happen, so for that purpose we require to go for git log command. Remember this one, sir. Array which if you want to see history of all commits, what are various commits were happen in my local repository, then we require to go for git log command itself, right? Okay, like next, do you know it is most commonly used command, friends. Commonly most commonly used command. Okay, git log command is the most commonly used command, right? Sir, just observe what is the syntax for that git log. That's all. It is going to provide it lists out all history of all commits, whatever happened in the current repository. Okay, it is going to provide, right? Okay, like now have a look once about our workspace. Maybe this workspace I used in the last session. Just observe that ls. Okay, there are 4 files are available. Okay, sir, a.txt, c.txt, and so on. Sir, observe that project 2, maybe I used in the last example the same, maybe 1 or 2 files maybe newly created, no problem at all. Sir, now total how many files are available, sir? 4 files are available. Okay, like next, git ls hyphen files. Okay, observe that. So which files are tracked by git? All files are tracked by git. Okay, well, sir, now let me create a new file. Just observe that. Okay, just to familiar to enter into the git world, let me create a new file. Sir, here e dot sir txt, like I'm trying to take, sir, e dot txt, or otherwise z dot txt I'm taking, sir. So hello, here just hello, first line inside z dot txt. Okay, excellent. Here just completed. Sir, now I created one file z.txt, which is there in my local repository. Sorry, which is there in my current working directory. Can you please tell, is this file tracked by git or not? Currently, is this file tracked by git or not? No, sir. Here git ls hyphen files in this z.txt is not there. Git doesn't aware about z.txt. Git status if I use sir untracked file z.txt. Okay, now let me add git add z.txt. Now I'm trying to add to staging area. Don't worry about this warning, sir, ignore. Sir, this is we added to staging area. Now, sir, git ls hyphen files, yes, z.txt started tracking by git because we added already to staging area. Now git commit hyphen m here z a new file, a new file z.txt added, a new file z.txt added like this I took, sir. Sir, one new file, one file changed, one insertion. Sir, create mode z.txt. I hope everyone can aware what is the meaning of this one. Can you please confirm? 100644. Everyone aware what is the meaning of this one? The first 3 characters represent type format. Okay, it is ASCII text. Next, 644 means file permissions, like. Okay, well, now git status, nothing there, everything working tree is the clean, nothing there to commit, nothing there in the pending, everything is a tracked, sir. Okay, now git sir, here git log, sir, how many commits are available? Okay, like all, it is going to show history of all commits. Now observe that carefully. Now have a look once, observe carefully, right? So there are multiple commits are available. Have you observed? Here if you are seeing almost around sir five, almost around 4 or 5 commits are there, sir. Okay, just have a look once, sir. This is the first commit. This is the first command, new files added. Next and after that, this is the second command, file1.txt modified. And this is the third commit, okay, new file added. Next the committed a.txt. Next and after that, this is almost sir, five commits are available, right? Okay, like sir, now it is complete git log command is responsible to provide complete commit information, detailed information. By default we are going to get git log will provide, sir, provides detailed log information. Can you please confirm, sir? Yes, correct or not? Can you please provide, can you please confirm, is it going to provide a detailed log information or not? Yes. Okay, like sir, it's very simple. 40 length commit id. Next, who is the author and what is his mail id. Next, what is the timestamp, what happened, and this is commit message. Everything is provided, right? Okay, like sir, now based on your requirement, so I don't want complete information, I want only specified information. Yes, how you can do that? For that, there are multiple options are available. Remember carefully, sir. So what are various options which are available with the git command? If you want to know, sir, git log hyphen help. Remember this one, sir, git log hyphen help. If I use this command, multiple options are available. Okay, like just observe that. Just have a look once, sir. Here have you observed git log manual page, man page, name git log, synopsis, description, options, follow, no, decorate references, like multiple options are available, sir. Number, next number, since, after, until, before, other, committer, okay, something like grep grep grep, like so multiple options which are available, right? Okay, at least some basic options we have to discuss, don't worry, sir, so that you will get much clarity about this one, sir. So the first option what I have to discuss, okay, the first option, the first thing what I have to discuss, are you in the position to understand up to this, the basic idea? Any explanation is required? Can you please tell? Yes, friend. Git log command, what is going to show? It is going to show it here. If you, it is going to show history of all commits with the detailed information. Okay, like this one, sir. Next, there is before going for the options, there is one more option is there, sir. Okay, like what that option is, sir. Here just my requirement is, sir, here if you observe these commits, if you observe these commits, these commits, so all these commits are related to file1, file2, a.txt, a.txt, z.txt, something like that. Correct or not? Can you please confirm, friends? Correct or not? All these commits are related to multiple files. Suppose my requirement A or A, I want to know the commits are related to a.txt, or I want to know the commits are related to z.txt or file1.txt. How to see commits of a particular file? Okay, how to see log information of a particular file, of a particular file. How you can see log information of a particular file? Okay, like how you can see that is nothing, sir. Git log. If I use git log, is it going to show all files commits or not? All commits or not? Can you please confirm? All commits, sir. Git log dot is the same. Dot means everything. Are you getting? Dot means everything. It is the same. But now I don't want a dot. I don't want everything. Just I want file1.txt. Remember, I want to see, sir, log information related to file1.txt. Oh, which commits associated with file1.txt. If you want, you can get, sir, what is the way? Here just observe that get log file1.txt. Now we are not seeing five, we are not seeing five commits, we are seeing only two commits. Have you observed, right? We are seeing only two commits, sir. First commit associated with file 1 and file 2, and the second commit associated with the file 1. Is it clear? Any explanation is required? Is it going to show only commits are related to a particular file? So it is going to show the files are related to a particular file, file1.txt only. Suppose here I want to know, sir, the commits are related to z.txt. Just now we added. Just now we added, right? Let me show that. Yes, z.txt, only one commit. Okay, Sunday, May 17, 21, 31, 15, like it is going to show. Just the only one commit. Only one commit, z.txt. Okay, related to that, only one commit is there. So, is that clear for all of you, right? How you can see log information of a particular file? Yes, that possibility is also there. We can see the commits related to file wise. Yes, itself is possible. Clear? Any doubt? Any explanation is required? Okay. Now here, next, I told multiple options are available with the log command. Sir, with the log command, let me go for option 1. My option is, listen very carefully, sir. The content of, that Manish, that part we are going to discuss next level. Here, log is always talks about commits only, not content of the files. To see the content of the file in the first commit, second commit, there are some other commands are there. There we will discuss. Okay, just observe. Sir, here commit, just observe that option 1. Sir, if I use git log, assume that it is going to provide detailed information or not. Detailed information in the commit id. How many characters? 40 characters commit id will be there. Okay, next, and after that other name and mail, next, and after that timestamp, next, and after that commit message. Okay, sir, we will get this much information, if I use gitlog. But now my requirement is, I want only concise information. I want only concise information. So for that, which option we require to use? Hyphen one line, one line option to get a brief information, to get a brief information or concise information. Like, sir, this is the first option what we have. What this option is going to show, sir? Okay, what is this option? Can you please spell out? Respond. Each and every person, can you please respond? What is this option? Hyphen one line. Remember this one. What is this option? Hyphen one line. Okay, like, sir, now have a look how you can, if I use this one, git log hyphen one line. If I use this one, what will happen is it will show one line per commit array, per commit. Sir, here per commit, how many lines it is displaying? Multiple lines. Array one is commit id, second one is other information, third one is the date, the fourth one is okay, just commit message. Multiple lines it's going to show. But now for every commit, only one line I want. In that line, which thing I want? I want commit id plus commit message. Are you getting right? Only this. Array, I don't want okay, other information. I don't want timestamp. I want only commit id plus commit message. Okay, this. Next, moreover, this commit id, what is the length? Can you please tell usually what is the length of commit id, sir? Respond. What is the length of the commit id, sir? 40 characters. But whenever we are using hyphen on one line, it is going to show only seven characters. Only 7 characters of commit id. Remember that. Only 7 characters of commit id plus commit message. Okay, like, now observe git log. If I use this one, okay, so big information I'm getting, sir. Okay, detailed information I'm getting. But now if you observe the git log hyphen one line. Now observe how beautiful. Very simple, concise information by default we are getting. Are you in the position to understand? Yes, friends. Are you in the position to understand what the meaning of hyphen hyphen one line? Sir, this is the first commit. Only one line for the first commit. This is the second commit. This is the third commit. This is the fourth commit, fifth commit. Like, sir, that's all. These are the 5 commits which are available, right? Okay. In the commit ID, how many characters it is going to show? It is going to show only 7 characters. I told right, 7 characters also unique, which can be used to identify commit. No problem at all. So, are you in the position to understand what is the meaning of hyphen hyphen one line? Detailed information if you want, don't use this one. If you want just only one line information for every commit, I want commit ID and the message. Okay, like so better to go for this one, sir. Sir, where this option is going to be very helpful. Just observe this very carefully, sir. This option is very helpful. This option is very helpful. This option is very helpful if we have lot of commits. If we have lot of commits, under to identify, okay, commit based on message, commit based on message, okay. Definitely this one is going to be very helpful, sir. This option is very helpful if you have lot of commits are there, some 20, 30 or 100 commits are there. Just I want to identify, sir, based on the message, based on the commit message. If I want to identify particular commit, then definitely it is going to be helpful. Clear, right? Manish, hyphen one line commit is shows only latest commit of each file. I mean, sir, here observe that each file commit is not there. Manish, don't get confused. Commit sometimes can talk about one file, sometimes can talk about multiple files. That's why don't use each file, no such type of terminology. So we have 5 files are there, that's why 5 commits are there. No. So the first commit related to file 1 and file 2. Okay, the first commit is related to file 1 and file 2. Next, this one is related to file 1 got modified, file 1 got modified, that's why another commit. Now I added a new file. Next, I performed some change in this, something like I added a new file, something like. So it is always going to show latest to oldest. Git log is always following the order. So this is the first latest. Okay, like, sir, what is this information? Nirmal is asking a small doubt about this one. Can you please tell what is this information? Have you remembered? I hope you people may aware what is this information. It is the reference. Master is the branch name. Of course, it is the reference to latest commit. For that master, head is the reference. Head is the reference, symbolic reference, right? Okay. Next, sir, these 7 characters are first 7 characters of commit ID. Yes. Getting, who is asking? Ashutosh. These 7 characters are, sir, the first 7, I mean 7 characters of commit ID. Commit ID. If you observe that, what is the last commit ID we have? Can you please observe? This is the last commit ID. This is the last commit ID. Okay. Sir, here in this, have you observed first 7 characters? First 7 characters. Is it same here or not? Yes, here and here it is the same. Is there any special meaning? Nothing. Is there any special meaning? Nothing. So even by using first 7 characters also, we can identify commit very easily. In the next sessions, we are going to use this one, sir. Sir, I want a particular commit. Just by using the first 7 characters, you can identify, you can uniquely identify that commit, no problem. You are not required to aware 40 characters, right? That's what. Any explanation is required? Can you please confirm? Up to this, first option is the very clear for you. Hyphen one line. Okay, like, next, second option I want to talk, sir. Option 2. Okay, it's very simple. Sir, do you know? So after push commit ID change for remote repo or same for the remote repo, Viraj. So the same commit IDs will be pushed. Remember that. The same commit IDs will be pushed. The commit IDs won't be changed. Nirmal, It shows only one. The total commit message is going to display in only one line. Remember that. Okay. Sir, next, what is the next second option is? Sir, total, how many commits are here? Please confirm. How many commits are there? Yes, how many commits are there? 5. But I don't want 5 commits. Remember that. I don't want five commits. I want only 3 commits. I want only last recent commits, 2 commits or 3 commits, 4 commits. Like, is it possible? Okay, to limit the number of commits to display? Yes. Okay. Hyphen n option. Hyphen n option to limit the number of commits to display. Number of commits to display, sir. Hyphen n option, sir, to limit number of commits to display. Yes, we can use. What is the way, sir? What is the syntax for that? Suppose here git log hyphen n just only two I'm taking. Sir, observe that. Git log hyphen n only two. It is going to show how many commits? Can you please confirm? It is going to show how many commits? How many commits? Only two. Latest two commits. Latest two commits. Now observe that carefully. Latest two commits. Sir, this is the first commit and this is the second commit. Only two commits we are going to get. Suppose for this, is it possible to use hyphen one line or not? Yes. Yes. Okay. So that you can see clearly, right? Okay. Now, how many commits are it is going to show? Only two commits it is showing. Okay, the latest two commits it is showing, sir. Suppose if I use a 3, if I use a 3, then it's going to show the 3 latest commits. Okay, like if you want only top 3 commits are enough, or top 10 commits are enough. I don't want all 1,000 commits. I want only top 3 commits. I want to know. Then automatically, happily you can use hyphen n3 option. There is no problem at all. Okay, like now here the same thing you can use in this style also. Sir, here just observe that. Forget about this one. My concentration is only on this. Sir, here minus n and then 3. Instead of the simple hyphen 3 also we can use. Okay, hyphen 3 also we can use. Yeah. Just Kumar Swami is asking, can we use head and tail commands of Linux? Yes, we can use, no problem at all. But what will happen is head and tail command. Okay, Sir Kumar Swami is asking, can we use head and tail commands? Tail commands of Linux, like yes, we can use. But the problem is these commands blindly consider lines, but this one consider commits. Remember that, right? Okay, but git log consider not commits, not okay, lines. Are you seeing the difference? Yes, Kumar Swami. Yes, Kumar Swami, have you observed, right? Yes, this one is always talks about so in number of lines, that's all. But this one is talks about number of commits. Suppose my requirement is I want a detailed log but only 3 commits. I want a detailed but only 3 commits. Then head and tail meaningless. Remember that. That's why here these specializer things we can use. Next, hyphen n3. Instead of that hyphen 3, directly we can use hyphen 3 also. Okay, get log hyphen 3. Next, and after that hyphen one line. What the answer we are going to get? Yes, perfect. Only 3 commits we are going to get. Hyphen n3. Instead of that, simple we can take hyphen 3 also. Okay, there is still more. Another option is also available. What is that option? Is hyphen max count is equal to 3. Hyphen max count is equal to 3, sir. Okay, like now observe that. Now have a look once. Hyphen max count is equal to 2. Hyphen one line. I'm taking only 2 commits by default we are going to get, because max count I specified as the 2. Okay, observe that. So git log hyphen n3 or hyphen 3 or hyphen max count is equal to 3 is always the same. Clear? Any explanation is required? Please confirm how to limit the number of commits to display. How to limit the number of commits to display. Okay, like this is the option we require to use. Okay, next here observe the option 3. Okay, like sir, this is also most commonly user commit, sir. Okay, most commonly user commit. Git log commit ID no was there already. I don't think. Max count option, max count option or variable. Max count is the option, is the option, the value is like, okay, normal. Next option 3. Okay, like sir, here what I'm trying to take, there is one more option is there, sir. Very important, sir, very important. Suppose here, if you observe in real time, we can't use commit messages, something like, sir, here git log hyphen git log, sir, here hyphen one line. If I use sir, here new files added, file1.txt got modified, new file added, committed a.txt, something like, so don't feel that, okay, here just in real time this type of commit messages won't be there, sir. Array, just I can use okay, commit committed or otherwise some changes, did some changes for SR number 231. Okay, like SR number, service request number 231. So did some changes for SR number 231, or otherwise sir did some changes for defect number, defect number some 123, something like that. Do you know, sir, here structured format, there is a structured format is there for commit message. Okay, for commit message in real time, most of the times we have to follow a particular format for the commit message. Just one file added, one file modified, something like, it's very rare. Array did some changes for SR number 231, or did some changes for defect number 123, something like. Okay, now my requirement is I want to search all commits related to SR number 231. SR means service request, sir. If the client is asking for change, some enhancements or some change, then we have to raise, is going to raise the request, service request. Now that one or two developers are going to work on this service request, something like, okay, did some changes for SR231, did some changes for SR231, something like, okay, like. So here in the commit message, based on some string, based on some pattern, I have to filter log messages. Yes, how it is possible, sir? Yes, possible. For that, we require to use grep option. Have you remembered, right? Can you please observe what is the option we have to use? Please confirm. Hyphen grep option to search based on given pattern in the commit message where it's going to search these patterns are in the commit message, sir, whether the given pattern is available or not. If it is available, then it's going to identify. Okay, like now observe carefully here, git log hyphen grep is equal to, you have to provide your pattern, sir. Okay, which pattern? Need not be single word, it can be a regular expression also, pattern. Suppose here I'm taking, sir, SR or SR 231, SR 231, like I'm taking, sir, 231. Okay, like I'm taking. So in the commit message, if anywhere we have SR231, then all such commits it is going to display. So use case also clear, right? What is the need of this option? Where we can use this option? I hope it is clear. Okay, respond. Observe. Okay. Now have a look once, sir. Here in my commit messages, in my commit, so here added is there. Added is there. Next added is there. Okay, like sir, here added is not there. Here also added is not there. Okay, like just is it really working or not? I want to show, sir. What I want to take is, sir, here grep I'm trying to take. What I want to take is added hyphen one line, like I'm taking, sir. Now observe that carefully, sir. So in the commit message, anywhere added is there, anywhere added is there, it is going to display such type of commits only, but in one line, because I use a one line option also. Now observe that here added is there, here also added is there, here also added is there. Friends, are you in the position to understand, right? Yeah, we will discuss, Viraj. Are you in the position to understand, right? I hope what is the how it is going to work, sir. Sir, where this option is going to be helpful? Yes, okay. In the commit message, if the commit message is a well formatted, well structured commit message we are using, if defect number or requirement number or change request number, like anything based on that I want to search, better to go for okay hyphen grep option. Any doubt? Things are very clear for you people. Can I go for next one? Okay. So now option 4 here, this is the very important, very important, sir. Sometimes for the last 3 days, 3 days, last 3 days onwards, how many commits happen? Last 3 days onwards, how many commits happen? Or otherwise, since a particular date onwards, how many commits are happen? How many commits are happen? Or after 20th May or after 20th April, how many commits are happen? I want to know. So with respect to the time, we can, okay, sir, show commits more recent more recent than a specific date, than a specific date, more recent than a date or time. Of course, a specific date or time. How you can do that, sir? Okay, very simple. Okay, now here we require to use which option? Hyphen since. What is that option? Since is equal to you can take array 2020 okay 0425 means sir, after 25 do you have any commits? Okay, like either since you can use or after you can use, both the things are always the same. Okay, after 25 do you have any commits? Do you have any commits? Okay, like you can ask this one, sir. Okay, like next here, so just need not be just a date, even you can represent 10 days ago. Okay, 10 days ago, 3 hours ago, 3 hours ago, like you can specify, no problem at all. Okay, need not be date, sir. Even this type of thing also we can array. So last 3 hours, since the last 3 hours, do you have any commit? Do you have any commit? Like you can ask. Okay, like sir, here just have a look once about this one. Okay, if I use git log command hyphen since. Okay, multiple examples you can consider. Okay, since viewing commit history. Okay, like just observe that carefully, right? Stack overflow, since count, something like multiple options here. Just observe that other. Okay, since other since. Okay, like have you observed, right? Okay, here just he's asking since sir 2013 0130, 2013 0130, something like 010130. Okay, like you can use no problem at all. Okay, like so how you can use these commands, this part we are going to discuss. Okay, like now have a look once. Yeah, single quotes or double quotes are not mandatory, Viras. 1 minute, let me show here. Git I have 1 minute, let me show already existing commits. Okay, git log. Now observe that. Now have a look once. If you observe the commits, some commits are happen here. Just 1 minute. Some commits are happen so on yesterday, some commits are happened. Okay, sir, today. Assume that some commits are happened yesterday, some commits are happened today, like Sir, after 16th, after 16th, can you please provide after 16th? Can you please provide the commits? So after 16th means 17 1 17 2, that's all. Only two commits I did today, but three commits I did yesterday only. Okay, like what is the way? Get log, git log hyphen hyphen after or since we can use 2020, okay, 05 16 I'm taking, sir. So after 16, can you please show log messages like it is? Just is it working or not? Let me cross check, friends. Observe carefully. Sir, observe carefully. Git log hyphen hyphen after 2020 05 16. Okay, like I'm taking, sir. Sir, now it is showing how many commits? Respond. How many commits it is showing? It is showing how many commits? Okay, only two commits, but it is not showing five commits. It is showing only two commits because after 16th means 17th onwards, how many commits are happened? Only these commits. Are you getting right? Next, someone is asking, is double quotes are mandatory or not? Okay, we will check. We will check. Is it going to recognize my git or not? 1 minute. 1 minute, sir. Yeah, just observe that carefully. Yes. Are you seeing right? Two commits. It's not mandatory, optional. Okay. Suppose I'm asking after after 1 hour ago, 1 hour ago, like, sir, here, so after 1 hour means last 1 hour, do you have any commits? 1 hour ago, like I'm asking, sir. Here, just observe, in my two commits, one is happened at 21:31, but another is happened at 7:43 only. So maybe only one commit is there. Sir, maybe only one commit is there. Let me cross check, sir. Is it going to work or not? Is it going to work or not? Okay, like, sir, here just observe that how many commits we are getting? Only one commit. Okay, last 1 hour ago, how many commits are there? After 1 hour, how many commits are there, sir? Only one commit. Everyone in the position to understand? Yes, friends, observe various options. Better to get some basic idea. Clear? Okay, now this is about the, sir, after. Okay, show more recent than specific date and time. Okay, 3 hours ago. Next, and after that 3 hours 5 minutes ago. 3 hours 5 minutes ago, or only 5 minutes ago. Only 5 minutes ago. Let me take this one. 5 minutes ago, do you have any 5 minutes ago, do you have any such type of thing? No. No. So in the last 5 minutes, I didn't do any commit. In the last 5 minutes, I didn't do any commit. Any commit. Okay. Now observe that. Now observe this one. Yes, no output. Because last 5 minutes, I didn't do any commit. That's why nothing will be printed, sir. Sir, if you want, let me add the cat, sir, file1.txt, file1.txt. So added new line just now, added new line just now. Okay, like, now git commit -a -m file1 modified, file1.txt modified. Okay, like I'm taking, sir. Okay, if I can take this one, yes, a new commit is happened. A new commit is happened, sir. Okay, like, this is the first 7 characters, right? Sir, in the last 5 minutes, commit is happened. Last 5 minutes, commit is happened. That's why immediately, is it, am I getting this one right? Yes, friends. Am I getting? Is it going to recognize or not? Yes. Okay. So this is after or since. Okay. After. Okay. Or since. Like immediately in your mind, you may have the doubt. You may have the doubt. Hey, until last 1 hour. So means before last 1 hour, do you have any comments? Or before, so 17th, do you have any comments? Or before 16th, do you have any comments? Okay, like, so for that, yes, we have option is there, sir. Okay, sir, option 5, what it means is show commits, older than a specific time. older than a specific time. Array, can you please show commits older than a specific time? Okay, for this we require to use hyphen until. Earlier we used which one? Earlier we used which one, sir? Since instead of since we can use until. Next, instead of after we can use before also. Okay, until. Okay, now I'm taking 17/05/2020. Happily you can use like this, or otherwise here also 17 or 16 05/16/05/2020, something like. Array, before 16th, do you have any commits? Or before 17th, do you have any commits? Like you can ask before like 5 hours ago, 5 minutes ago. Okay, like 1 day ago, 1 day ago, something like. Here also you can use, no problem at all. Okay, 5 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago, something like. Yes, here now observe that carefully, right? Date format, sir, usually this particular format it can recognize or say already, I hope. Yeah, 1 minute, let me cross check. Let me cross check. Git log, git log. Okay, here I'm trying to take git log hyphen until, or hyphen before. Okay, before 17/05/2020. 1 minute, 1 minute, sir. Here just have you observed reverse format? Here it is not going to recognize. Okay, here just observe carefully. It is so here Indian format we are giving 2020/05/17, something like 2020/05/17. Okay, like I'm taking, sir, now hyphen one line. Can you please tell yes, can you please confirm what will happen? Yes, respond. What is the answer we are going to get? Array, before 17, before 17, do you have any commits are there? Okay, like yes, why not? Why not? Some commits are there, right? Git log hyphen one line. Okay, total how many commits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 commits are there, sir. Okay, now I'm using this option. Now observe that. Now observe this one. Now observe this. Okay, so it is showing before means is the same thing we are getting or not? Array, are you seeing any difference? 1 minute, are you seeing any difference? Are you seeing any difference? No, means maybe 17 or before or until 17. 1 minute, 1 minute, let me cross check. 16 I'm taking, sir. Then 16 or before, then 16 or before. Are you getting? 16 or before, 16 or before 16 means 16 or before it is going to consider. Is it giving commit from creation of repository? Yes, obviously, Viraj, because when the repository will be live from that only, because all commits will be stored in the repository only, right? Okay, now here if I use the word 5 minutes ago, okay, or 1 hour ago, is it going to work or not? Let me cross check, friends. 1 hour ago, 1 hour ago, 1 hour ago, something like I'm asking. 1 hour ago. Okay, like now observe that 1 hour ago only these commits are available. Only these commits are available because the top commit is not sir 1 hour before. Are you getting? Is not 1 hour before. Are you getting? Why the last two commits are not there? Anyone, can you please tell the reason? Array, anyone, can you please tell the reason why the last two commits are not there? Why the last two commits are not there? Because the reason for that is last two commits are happened within 1 hour only. That's why just we added. That's why. So, but I'm asking about commits before 1 hour. Can you please show commits before 1 hour? Something like we are asking. Clear, right? Just you have to familiar. Oh, this type of options also there for the git command. This is about my main intention to get the basic idea, right? So in real time, based on your requirement, you can use. Next, so before particular date, yes, 1 hour ago, yes, getting. Ashutosh. Yeah. Now observe carefully, right? Okay. So just how you can specify, okay, 1 hour ago or 1 hour before, something like the best way Googling, or otherwise just check in the documentation. If it is not there, just better to do Google. Okay, Googling how you can, how to find git logs, git log information, sir, for 1 hour ago or 5 minutes ago. Then multiple examples will be there. Based on that, you can, once you use this type of option, second time you never going to get the doubt. Okay, because already you use it, right? Next, sir, there is one more option is there. Here if I observe my commits, git git log, git log, if you observe my commits, other, how many here, just do you know, I changed other information, other, I changed other information, right? Correct, right? So first time Durga is there, first commit Durga, second commit is also Durga, but a third commit named with what? Ravi. Sir, in the last session I showed, right? Okay, Ravi, like sir, like a four commit. Now my requirement is sometimes, Array, which commits performed by Durga, which commits performed by Ravi, I want to know, sir. So option 6, I mean next option, how you can show, how you can show commits based on the other. Option 6, sir, commits show commits based on other, based on other. How you can show commits based on the other? Okay, like what is the way how you can do that? Yes, very simple, sir. Sir, here hyphen other is equal to, hyphen other is equal to pattern. Sir, any pattern you can specify. Okay, all other name starts with D, or otherwise just directly Durga, something like you can use, right? Sir, now get log hyphen other is equal to Durga. I'm asking, sir. So related to Durga, how many commits are there? Can you please tell? Or respond. Related to Durga, how many commits are available? Only two. Now, am I going to get or not? Now observe that carefully. Now have a look once, sir. Okay, sir, here this commit and this commit, sir, in both cases other is Durga. Have you observed, right? This commit and this commit, in both cases other is Durga. Sir, I want hyphen one line. Have you observed? Only these two are the commits. Only these two are commits associated with Durga. Okay, like sir, now here I'm taking, instead of Durga, Ravi I'm taking, sir. Now observe that. How many commits are there? How many commits are there, sir? Okay, like Ravi. Sir, this is the first commit. This is the second commit. This is the third commit. This is the fourth commit. Total 4 commits are there. So we can search based on other also the commit messages, right? Next, one more option is there. Okay, but anyway, at this stage, this option is not that much meaningful. But anyway, while covering the next sessions, definitely this option is going to be more meaningful. Decorate. Okay, decorate option. Okay, to display extra information. To display extra information. Okay, like extra information, like sir, can we show commit from Ravi and Durga? Yes, maybe. Here it is always expecting regular expression, right? Normal. It is expecting a pattern. It is expecting a regular expression. You can use Ravi or Durga, something like yes. If you want, you can show the commits are related to Durga and Ravi. Okay, both possibilities are there, either Durga or Ravi. Like so now hyphen decorate option is there to display some extra information. Okay, extra information means branch name. Okay, head, branch name, head, tags information, tags information. Okay, like some extra information, right? Tags information, etc. etc. Like tomorrow, sir, as of now we didn't discuss any tag information. That's why you are not seeing that, but by default this information is always going to display. Okay, like that's why we didn't see much difference at all. We didn't see much difference with this, sir. Git, here just observe what is that option we are going to use. Can you please spell out? Git hyphen git log hyphen what is that? I forgot. Please confirm. Decorate, decorate. Sir, here just decorate. I'm taking, sir. So I don't think you are going to see much difference at all. Here, git log, whatever the output you are getting, whatever the output you are getting, git log with sir decorate option also we are going to get the same. Okay. Now observe that git log hyphen decorate hyphen one line I'm taking, sir. So here add information, master information. Tomorrow tag, any tags are there. Okay, that tag extra information also you are going to see. You are going to see with this decorate. But anyway, as of now, no difference at all. With decorate, without decorate, we are going to see the same output only. Okay, now observe that I'm not using any decorate. I'm not using any decorate. Sir, same output. You are not seeing any difference in the output. Have you observed? You are not seeing any difference in the output, sir. Okay, like but next if we are adding some extra content, then you people are going to see there is some differences there, even this option also. Okay, like sir, can you please spell out up to these how many options we covered? Yes, hyphen one line. Next hyphen max limit hyphen max limit or hyphen n option we used. Next, any other option I forgot? Please confirm. Hyphen max n option we used. Okay. Next, and after that we have any other hyphen grep option, hyphen grep option, hyphen since option, or hyphen after. Next, hyphen until, or hyphen before. Okay, like next hyphen other. Okay, like next even hyphen decorate, like multiple options are there, sir. Okay, like but anyway, sir, still there are several options are available. Don't feel these are the only options, right? If you consider git log hyphen help, I showed already. I showed already this one, sir. Okay, hyphen log. Okay, like now have a look once. Here just observe that hyphen log. Yeah, sir, here just have a look once. Multiple options are available. If the time permits, if the time permits, so happily you can, based on your comfort, just better to explore all these options. Okay, anyway, if it is really required, then you can do. Otherwise, you are not required to worry at all. Next, if you are not getting complete, just array demo. So what you can see, can you please observe? Git log hyphen decorate. Okay, just example something like, just search in a Google. You may get one or two things. Based on that, happily you can get much clarity, right? Clear, right? Any doubt about this one? Yes, was already there are multiple options are available, I told, right? So just the basic idea I provided. Based on that, if you want, you can explore, okay, the remaining options. And still if you are not getting, just go through the Google search to have a look. But anyway, these options are most commonly used options. So these options are enough. Still, if you are very much interested, then you can go through that. That's all, sir. Okay, this is about git log. Okay, git log command detailed discussion, right? That's all. In the next we have to talk about git diff command. Okay, we require to talk about git diff command. There, sir, you are going to see multiple differences, like. Okay, that's all. Thanks for everyone. Just I'm stopping.